Hi guys, this is Sakshi, your educator on Unacademy, and I welcome you all on the daily course to learn new root words to expand your vocabulary. So let us begin with our today's lesson. It is presented by me, Sakshi Saluja. This is a small slide about me. I'm an MBA postgraduate. I'm a freelance content writer by profession. I love to read, write, watch movies, watch English series. If you like my lessons and if you are benefiting from them, please follow me on this link on Unacademy so that whenever I post a new lesson, you are notified for the same. If you have any doubts, any feedbacks you would like to give regarding the lesson or otherwise, please post them in the comment section. And once you are done with the lesson, do not forget to give a rating to the lesson, a small review if possible, and recommend and share the lesson among maximum people so that they may also benefit from the lesson. So our today's root word is P-E-N-D, pend, or P-E-N-S, pens. Okay. Now P-E-N-D, pend or P-E-N-S, pens both mean something related to hang, to weigh, or to pay. Okay. So just remember the meanings, and while we are discussing the words, you will be able to understand the meaning better, and you will be able to guess the meaning of the words also if you know the meaning of the root word. So let us begin. Our first word for today is pensive. So pensive means that when you are in deep thought about something which is bothering you too much, something which is weighing heavily on your mind, is when you are pensive. Okay. So when you use it in a sentence, you say, after losing his job, Raj became more pensive than ever. Why? Because after losing his job, he had to think about his future. He had to think about several things. How will he procure a new job and several other things which come across to him as tensions, and that is why he used to be in a pensive state for all day, all night, and he used to keep thinking about it. So something which is bothering you too much. Okay. So how is it related to the root word? Why? Because it is weighing heavily on your mind. Okay. And as we have seen that the root word pens and pen both mean something related to weigh also. Okay. So it is weighing heavily on your mind. You are taking tension for it and you're thinking about it. It's bothering you. Something sad is bothering you. That is when you are in a pensive state. Okay. So our next word is suspended. Okay. Suspended has the root word P-E-N-D in the center. And suspended basically means two things. Okay. Either you can be suspended from somewhere, that means you are debarred for a particular period of time. That is like, for example, when you are suspended from school. Okay. But then that meaning is not related to our root word. Okay. Another meaning of suspended is related to our root word, which means to hang from somewhere. Okay. Suspend, to suspend something from somewhere means to hang that thing from a particular place. Okay. So when you use it in a sentence, you can say the pendulum is suspended from a fixed point. Okay, that means it's suspended, it's tied from a fixed point and it's suspended from there. Okay, so that's the meaning of the word which is related to the root word. Our next word is dependability. Now dependability means that you can hang on to someone. Okay, that means the person is reliable and you can hang on to that person. Okay. So when you use it in a sentence, I can vouch for his dependability. You can leave the project to him and be rest assured. Okay, that means I can take a guarantee of his dependable nature, that he can be trusted with the project, and you just leave the project to him and he'll take the responsibility and you be rest assured. Okay, so that means a quality which enables the other person to hang on you, that is to rely on you, to count on you. So that's what is dependability. So that's how it is related to the root word also, because if you are dependable, someone can hang on you. Okay, not hang exactly hang on you, but hanging over here means that he can count on you. Okay. So our next word is impending. Impending basically has the root word pend in the center, as you can see. Impending basically means something which is about to happen. Okay, now over here it is related to the root word. Why? Because something which is about to happen to you, that means it is hanging over your head. Okay, that means it is something which is bad, which is impending to happen, that is, it is about to happen. It's a doom, and doom is bad, so it's hanging over your head. Okay, that is, it is unavoidable and it will happen. So that is impending, the meaning of impending, and it is related to the root word. How? Because it is hanging over your head. Okay, you can't avoid it, it will happen to you. So it's destined to happen, it will happen. So when you use it in a sentence, you can say, because John suffers from anxiety, he frequently has fears of impending disaster. So because he has that anxiety nature, that is why he fears, he is fearful that there is an impending disaster, something bad about to happen to him. Okay, so that's the meaning of the word impending. Our next word for today is expend. Now expend again has a root word, but over here it is in the end as a suffix. Expend basically means to exhaust all your money or your resources, your time. So any resource, when you just use it up, okay, you just pay. So it is related to the root word. Why? Because the root word also means to pay. Okay, so if you remember, the root word means to hang, to weigh, to pay. So that means you're paying something to the extreme. That means you are just exhausting your resources. So that is to expend. Okay, not only money, but any resource of yours. Okay, you're just exhausting your time, you're just exhausting your money. That's expending. So when you use it in a sentence, you can say, the countrymen were against the government's plan to expend more money on raising official salaries. So obviously the countrymen, they wanted that the government should do better things for the countrymen. Okay, they should allocate the resources for the betterment of the countrymen rather than only increasing the salaries of the officials. Okay, so that is something which they were resisting, and that's how you use the word expend. That means the government was exhausting all the resources on the official salary, okay, which was not in favor of the countrymen. So that's how you use the word expend. So this is all we have in this lesson. In case you face any problems, please let me know. Try finding more words related to the root word PEND and PENS. And if you face any problems, do let me know. In my next lesson, I'll be coming up with another root word for you. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching.